After dedicating 25 years to Kaizer Chiefs, legendary goalkeeper Itumeleng Khune has officially hung up his gloves and embarked on an exciting new chapter. The former team captain, now 37, is pivoting to the business world, showcasing a proactive approach to life after football. Khune recently gave his Instagram followers a glimpse of his post-football career, sharing photos of himself on construction sites clad in personal protective equipment. In a candid exchange with the follower, Khune revealed his new role as a health and safety officer. Accompanying his post, the football icon shared motivational captions and said, "Start where you are, use what you have, do what you can," while another encouraged, "Allow yourself to be a beginner at things. No one starts as excellent." In addition to his work in construction, Khune recently made headlines with another significant venture, a partnership with TopBet, a prominent betting company. "But this is no mere endorsement deal." He said, "I must emphasize that I'm not a brand ambassador for TopBet. I'm the owner." Khune told reporters during the partnership announcement. The father of two explained that he has acquired shares in the company, aiming to bring impactful change to local communities. Khune elaborated on his approach and said most South African brands approach players and celebrities for ambassador roles. "With me, it's different. We need to start teaching footballers and other professionals to seek bigger opportunities. It's about meeting the right people and having meaningful discussions around the boardroom table." Khune's entrepreneurial endeavors reflect his foresight and preparation. In 2022, he graduated from the prestigious Player Transition Program at the Gordon Institute of Business Science, equipping him with the skills to navigate life beyond the pitch. While Amakosi have not formally announced his retirement, Khune's contract for the 2024-2025 season was quietly left unrenewed. In May, the club celebrated his remarkable 25 years of service, which began in its youth academy. As Khune steps away from the game he loves, he does so with the same determination and passion that defined his illustrious football career. From the soccer field to the boardroom, Itumeleng Khune continues to inspire as he writes a new legacy. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.